YouTube. In this video, I'm gonna try to reset this annoying ServiceNow light that I'm getting as a service reminder. I changed the oil a few months ago, and you're supposed to take it to the dealer, and they have a special tool, or you could buy such a tool, but they're a little pricey. Anyway, I got this tool from Amazon that's the cheapest I could find. It's $150 to reset that message, and hopefully this will do it. It works only on certain cars, and the review says this should work, but we'll find out. So the message is, I'm gonna put it on ignition, and you'll see the ServiceNow message comes up right there, and then goes away. So not a big deal, but it's a little annoying, and hopefully we can reset that message. Okay, I got the device, as you can see, plugged into the OBD2 port under the dashboard, driver's side, left hand side, and this, after it started up, it gave me these options. To the right, Porsche, lamp, brake, oil lamp reset, so that's the one I want. Switch on ignition, which it is, and then hit OK. Communicating, software reset, manual reset. I'm not sure what the difference is. Okay, let's try it. I'm gonna try the software reset. Automatic scan, I guess. Let's try that. Communicating. Okay. Looks like you got the right model, VIN, year. Okay. And that's okay. This is a 2007. Yeah, this it's a US car, so miles. I heard it chime. Okay. Okay, let's see if that. Okay. And the chime stopped, as you heard, and let's hope that did it. Okay, so I did the reset just now. I'm gonna take the key out and see if that annoying ServiceNow message went away. Okay, let's put the key on ignition. And let's turn it on ignition, and here we go. And yep, no more message. Great. All right. Done. It works. Okay, so the other thing that I like about this tool is it does have ability to read the Porsche codes, so which will help in diagnostic and troubleshooting. It could read some of the CAN bus data. So let me select the car here real quick. Okay. Do the manual. So, and here are some of the options: air conditioning, gateway, instrument cluster. Let's look at let's see, parking assistant, steering column switch. Let's look at steering column switch, for example. We'll hit OK, and then we'll read the code if there's any error code. So right now there's no code stored, which is good. We could also just look at the data stream, and so here are the option: direction indicator lights. So that's I believe that's a turn signal. Let's select that as an example. High beam flasher, headlight flasher, wiper stage, etc. Speed control system button. Let's go read the direction indicator lights. Let me turn the indicator to the left, and then you notice the voltage change. Now it's off. Turn it to the right, and then the voltage change. For example, the rear spoiler, there's an option here, shows rear. We'll hit OK. We'll look at the actual data stream. So here are some of the options. We could select glove box, micro switches on the rear spoiler when it's on the top position or bottom position. Currently it's on the top, so we'll select it and let's see what it shows. So right there, as you can see, glove box not actuated. It's closed right now. Spoiler is on the top position, so the top shows is actuated, and then the bottom is not from the micro switch. So that could be useful in troubleshooting what the computer is seeing and what the switches and electronics is seeing. So for example, I'll open the glove box now and you'll see it, it should activate. And glove box open, and you can see that it's now detected it. I'm gonna close it, and there you go. Okay, I just wanted to show another diagnostic mode. I'm currently in the driver's side door diagnostic, and just wanted to show the sensor, like the door handle sensor. So if I open this, it should show that it's active or not active on the top door handle button. As you could see, now it's active as I open it, and as I let go, it's not active. And then when I shut the door, you should also see something change. Here we go. So now you see on the bottom door contact switch is now not active. If I open it, and shows active, and that would have been useful for me when I was troubleshooting a door lock switch problem that I had a few months ago.